In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Looker Studio with Google Sheets. Start by going to Looker Studio, which you may also remember as Google Data Studio. Once you are on the main reporting homepage, look for the Create option. Click into the Create menu, then choose the option for a new report. This is where you begin building a dashboard that can pull data directly from a spreadsheet. After selecting to create a new report, you will be asked to choose a connector. Click Google Sheets. This connector is designed to read data stored in your Google Drive and turn it into charts and tables inside Looker Studio. Next, click Authorize. This step is important because Looker Studio needs permission to access your Google Drive files. Select the Google account you want to use and continue through the permission prompts until you return to Looker Studio. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you pick the one that actually owns the spreadsheet or has access to it. Otherwise, your file may not appear in the next step. Now you will see a file picker where you can choose the spreadsheet you want to connect. Click the spreadsheet name from the list. After that, confirm the specific worksheet or tab inside the file that contains your data. Before you move on, it helps if your sheet is clean and organized. The first row should contain clear column headers because Looker Studio will treat those headers as field names for dimensions and metrics. Also, try to keep each column consistent, like dates in a date format and numbers in a number format, since that makes reporting smoother. Once your file and worksheet are selected, proceed through the remaining prompts to complete the connection. Looker Studio will show you a preview of the fields it detected based on your header row and data types. Finally, click Add to Report. This attaches your Google Sheets data source to the report and opens the report editor, where you can begin building visuals using your spreadsheet data. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.